October the 14th, 2018. It's game day. Today, the Seattle Seahawks are facing the Oakland Raiders at Wembley Stadium in London. Welcome to day 2 of the London trip. We are now heading into town to probably go to Camden or maybe Harrods, we're not sure yet, but I take you on the trip with me. Let's go. And of course, what is England without a little bit of rain? I'm putting on my thingy hood because I hate rain. Guys, we are now at Camden Market, but everything is like super different from when I was here last time. I can like put some shots from when we were here last. All these houses thingies weren't there. There was just like tents pretty much and little wooden sheds, but now it's like super commercialized and everything. I don't like the way that it is now. Also, my favorite burger shop isn't there anymore. We're standing right outside of the McLaren dealership here in London, and there's like so many beautiful cars in there. I see a 720S back there, another 720S here. That's 650S, 570S. McLaren cars are just beautiful, like seriously. There it is, the big building in front of us on the left side, and there's so many people in here. Like, London is a traffic nightmare. I'm glad we don't have to like drive through London with a car. Yeah. We are now heading into the stadium. I'm already completely dressed up in Seattle style. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super pumped for that game, and let's go. So we're now at the stadium. I think the seats we got are actually pretty amazing. Like, that's the view that we get from the whole field. Sadly, the Raiders have like the whole home game, but I think there's more Seahawks fans in the stadium than Raiders fans. So let's go. Go Seahawks! Guys, we're back in the hotel. Like, the way back to the hotel was pretty stressful and super long because like there weren't any buses where they should be in, and we've ended up taking like a super long way to the station we needed to go. But the Seattle Seahawks won the game 27-3, which is like, that's such an incredible score for, I mean, the Raiders weren't that great anyways the whole season, but like the Seahawks are 3-3 again, so all chances for playoffs are still there. Raiders probably won't make it to playoffs, but yeah, I'm gonna edit this video tomorrow and upload it later because like I'm super tired, super exhausted, but I'm so pleased that the Seahawks won this game. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like or maybe even a subscription to my channel. You can check out my channel right here, or the last video of the trip down here, all the playlists of Zebi films up here. See you in my next vlog. I don't know when that's gonna be, but there's more videos coming this year, so good night everyone.